Are you an author or an aspiring writer who's been feeling the brain fog these days? Are you stuck in a loop of non-action? Do you feel that no one is interested in what you are writing? Then I have amazing news. You see, if you are just getting started with writing, you have to overcome a ton of obstacles and challenges just to sit down and write. The thing is, how do you find your writing rhythm? But even if you find your writing rhythm, how do you stay productive no matter what happens around you? How do you create a simple plan to help you progress day in and day out? And more importantly, how do you actually get people to read your work? How do you attract the right fit audience to your work? How do you drive engagement and interaction? The answer to all these problems and challenges is the free workshop by Hope Writers, a community dedicated to helping authors succeed. This Monday, it's called 3 Secrets for Writers Looking for Clarity, and it's happening tomorrow, September 20. Hope Writers is the #1 online community for authors, a friendly and supporting network with over 3,200 members that has helped me improve my writing dramatically since I joined last year. Hi, I am Tassos, and I'm a marketing consultant that has helped hundreds of brands sell more of their products and services. I'm an entrepreneur and writer, and I write daily, non-stop. Nothing can stop me. Writing is my superpower, and it's your superpower. So I invite you to join us for the free live workshop to take our writing game to the next level. Monday, September 20. I'll see you there. Take care.